Hello handbag lovers, I'm here with an unboxing. If you're interested in seeing what I picked up, please continue watching. So, as I've shared previously, I've really been on the hunt for small leather goods that fit in the smaller bags that I carry most of the time. So this is another small leather good from Louis Vuitton. And let's get this opened up. So she did come in a cute box like my other small leather goods from Louis Vuitton, and also the receipt and exchange policy, return information. So the nice thank you for shopping at Louis Vuitton. I'll put that away. Then I always have them gift box it, and I write myself a little note if I remember to do so on my purchases. This one doesn't have a note, so maybe not so much here. Okay, we'll put that away. And what do I have here? Oh. So, this is the Louis Vuitton card holder Recto Verso. This is in the damier ebene with the red button on front, or the red snap closure on front. It is made of canvas and on the exterior, as well as cowhide leather lining. And I'll just let you get a look at that. So it has the red little snap on the front, and then it has the red card holder slots. She does have a snap closure, which is also red lining, and a pocket in front as well. She has the L zip where you can put money or change or whatever you choose in the inside. She has this beautiful key clasp as well, engraved with Louis Vuitton, the LV. And she has 1, 2, 3 card slots, and then also a slot for cards here, or whatever you may choose. So this is my fourth small leather good in the damier ebene print, which I've shared before. I do have the pocket organizer that I currently use as a wallet / card holder. However, it's very nice because it fits a lot of cards. However, it didn't have a lot of style to it, so I thought I'd try something new. So this, with the gold tone hardware, very shiny zipper, with the color, with the red, add a little bit more pizzazz, and then the red interior also adds a little bit more pizzazz. So I'm looking forward to adding this to my small leather good collection. As you can see from my videos, I tend to get a lot of use out of these small leather goods, and I'm excited to use this one as well. I also wanted to point out that there is an in-between pocket here, so if you want to put additional cards or receipts or whatever, it does offer more space. So I will at some point do a comparison between this Louis Vuitton card holder Recto Verso and the pocket organizer, so you can see the difference. So thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Please like and comment. Thank you for watching, and I appreciate all my subscribers, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.